Guys, this is it. Remote control boat with LED light, RC, jet boat, 35 km/h remote control speedboat. This is a jet boat, which means that it draws water from underneath before expelling it through a nozzle at the back. It's capable of making very tight turns and steering in shallow waters. Came with two 2000 mAh batteries, adoption of water-cooled motors, efficient water cooling system, guarantee the safer and long-lasting service. The running time of the remote control boat for adults is up to 15 minutes. So let's now test and review it.